Guys, we got another E24 water tap issue. So see, there's a whole bunch of water collected at the bottom. Wow. Okay, so there's must be some gunk up that's blocking this drain right here. We're gonna attempt to remove this and see what's stuck here. Oh my gosh. All right, look. Holy crap. Clear that up with a screwdriver or something, because the food is preventing these pipe to get to flush. So after all that crap is cleared, you just put it back. Make sure it fits snug. And just tighten back this thing. Make sure it's on that line. See that? Well, I guess I'm gonna turn it off, turn it back on. Now that I got it all unclogged, I'm gonna do a short cycle, maybe a speed cycle. Eco. Start, and let's fingers crossed. Let's see what happens. Let's see it drain. Yes, sir. I hope this video helps you. If it does, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Later.